this particular bit that I use. A fellow up in Alaska taught me how to make it, and I'd like to share it with y'all. What you do is you take an old dental burr that's dull or broken, and I take the tip right off of it, and then I grind it down 3 sides flat, just like, I hope this shows, maybe it reflects like that. Grind it down so that the edges are sharp, all the way down to a point. And it might take some messing around to get the point centered, take a little bit off here or there until it is in the center. And then put it in, well, it's best to do it while it's in the handpiece because it's something to hang on to. But anyway, try it on some Antler or something really hard, not stone, but, hardwood, Antler, bone, horn. I'll show you what it does. If it gets a little dull, you can sharpen it up really easy. It's fairly soft steel, so file cuts it all right. Anyway, I think you can kind of see what capabilities are on a piece of Antler. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.